Welcome to Computer and Internet Security Introduction course. This course will offer you simple-to-follow introductory guide to the vast world of personal computer and internet security, growing your awareness about the dangers we face today using our computers, gadgets, and internet services. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Alex Gerbeshkov. I'm a professional IT consultant and a passionate information security enthusiast. Having more than 7 years of experience in web development, business, and system administration, I know how important is the awareness about computer security issues and how life-changing can be the simple rules that you can follow to protect your privacy and data, as well as data of your family and business. It is no doubt that in today's world, everyone who uses a computer or mobile device needs to understand how to keep their gadgets and data secure, since our day-to-day actions and even lives depend on the security of our data. Whether you're a businessman, a politic, a blogger, a doctor, or a college student, computer security basics put into practice can become savers of your career, prosperity, and even your life. Computer security today expands much further away from your laptop. In today's world, it has to do with personal banking, as our bank accounts and credit cards are internet connected and protected by imperfect passwords and encryption algorithms. Personal communications that can be intercepted and listened to with relative ease. Personal privacy that is very hard to maintain today as black hat hackers, corporations, and even governments spy on us with unprecedented scale. Security of your business, as today your valuable business information is a desired goal for many, and your business reputation can be totally destroyed by means of hours. And the development of smart home systems and the Internet of Things put your personal and even physical security to risk if you don't understand the basics of modern personal computer security. Most of the facts and recipes in this course may seem too basic to you, but believe me, one thing is to theoretically know something and another is to get the motivation to use it and implement all this knowledge to practice.